around, and with red color. My dear friends, the spring has sprung and I can't be happier to come back to you on this YouTube channel. I want to draw with you something special, something beautiful, and we will paint 3 different postcards with super easy flowers. We won't draw anything, we will go straight away with watercolors. It will be super easy. 3 exercises, 5 minutes each, and you will see how easy it is to stay creative, how easy it is to be an artist, and how easy it is to create a handmade postcard for your beloved ones. For those of you who are for the first time here on my channel, my name is Ala. I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist. From 2020, I'm an art teacher too. And in today's class, we will be painting flowers, easy flowers. So let's get started. For this class, we need very few supplies because we will be drawing the flowers in a very easy form. We will need a smaller paintbrush. I'm using Da Vinci Nova Synthetics number 4. It is a super tiny paintbrush that we can paint a lot of details. I will use my Van Gogh 12 plus 3 colors, the watercolors. It is a student grade color watercolors, and but the colors are pretty good. Here I have all my palette that I prepared with the colors that I have here. I will need a tissue, watercolor paper obviously, and a palette that I will be mixing up the colors, and plain water. So let's start. We will create a bunch of different flowers in different sides. So the first bunch of flowers that I would like to paint with you will be lavender flower. For this, I will take some green color and will create the stems and the leaves. So paint the stems as you wish to create the bunch effect. Later on, I will take my quinacridone rose colors that it is here. Quinacridone color is very similar to kind of lilac color, quinacridone rose. And we start creating small dots over this each of the stem that we have painted. If the dots are coming on one into another, don't worry either. The lavender flower will look very beautiful. You can go over the stem if you feel necessary, if you feel that your stems are too long. And little by little, I'm finishing my bunch of flowers. Because my greenery here, my stems have dried, I will take green color again and will add some leaves in between. To this green, to create a more interesting color, I will add some blue color. I will use ultramarine deep, and I will increase the intensity of my green color and will add somewhere darker shades, not everywhere. And for my quinacridone rose color, I will add some ultramarine to make it violet. We'll take more blue to make a very beautiful violet color. And now I will add some smaller dots here below in between the flower and the stem to create a darker color of these beautiful flowers. Don't worry if the paper is still wet, because in this way the color is just spreading prettier. And now I take quinacridone and I will take another paintbrush. So with quinacridone rose color, I will make the splattering effect. I will have beautiful dots around. I will take this violet color that I have done later and will add more dots with the violet color. And if you want, you can also take some green and make some green dots too. So the first bunch of flowers is done. Let's proceed with the second one. Now I prepared another piece of paper, and what I will do, I will paint poppies. The poppies, I do not have red color. Here I have like permanent red light, but it looks more like orange. And what I will do, I will add some Madder Lake deep color that it is warmer. So I will have this kind of color. And for this, with this color that I prepared, with this mix-up, if you want, you can take only Madder Lake color. It is also beautiful, but I will take a mix. And let's paint. I will paint the petals of the poppies. You can paint it like this, you can paint smaller flower, how you wish. Just make an interesting way of painting the petals. Do not paint exactly like I do, just leave your creativity to flow and enjoy the process. I will take more color because it is too light. I took too much water and I want to make the color deeper. And now I will take green color that I have here and I will mix with ultramarine deep color. I want to have this green super dark, cooler in color, and I will start to paint here the stem for each flower. I have also the green flowers, the buttons. And I'll paint the leaves. I can add more green color and to make it lighter. It is great to use different green colors, not only one, because the work looks more interesting. And now I can take as well another paintbrush or a pencil and to make this splattering effect with green color around and with red color. So the postcard number 2 with spring flowers is done. And third flower that we will paint will be dandelions. Let's paint several dandelions. And how we paint? Very easy. We take yellow color, just whatever color you have, and we paint like crossing the lines and creating a bunch of lines, beautiful lines. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, as you wish. Just make it interesting for you. In any drawing that you do, everything that you paint, just look what it is interesting for you. Don't look what others say that you should do or paint. Enjoy the process. Don't worry about the result. Only practicing you will learn new things. I said that I will make it bigger. And now I will take some permanent red light with yellow and will mix it. So I have here, I will get some orange color and I will get inside, meanwhile it is still wet, I will get this color. To create darker color. And now I have green color, but this time I'm not mixing up with ultramarine, but I will mix with yellow color. I want to make this green brighter. I want to make it light and warm. And I will create the stems. And as well I will create some greenery here. I will take more green to create darker colors too. And I will take as well some ultramarine color and will mix up to this green. So we'll have different shades of green. Now let's take a pencil and to make some drops. As you can see, in only 15 minutes we managed to draw 3 different bunches of flowers. I hope you enjoyed this process and I hope you will paint more flowers. Now I will show you all the flowers that we painted today. And I think this is amazing to start this spring with these beautiful and easy exercises in watercolors. So here we have. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this class. I was working on it with a lot of pleasure. We have been painting 3 different flowers. We've painted a bunch of lavenders, a bunch of poppies, and a bunch of dandelions. 3 beautiful flowers, and we created these beautiful postcards. I hope that this exercise helped you to enjoy your creativeness, enjoy your inner artist, and I want you to draw more, paint more, and enjoy more watercolors. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, thumbs up to this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And till the next time, bye!